Nice to meet you to this new episode of Weekbit. Yes, Yamaha CD receiver CRX-330. Interest machine, and for small living rooms like mine, a very good compact amplifier and CD player, tuner, all in one, but with a little issue. In different countries we have different voltages, and so I will like to show you this on the back side. It have this plug. Look, I must show you this here, this plug, and this plug is not used in our country. It's used for countries they have a 120 volts. You can read it here. Here's the 120 volts and 60 hertz. Yeah. That means you cannot install a new plug on it and wish that it works, because we have here 230 volts and 50 hertz. And now I come to the idea that we interchange the power supply, and look what I got. I got a power supply, and you can see that here on this side, here we have a connector for the power, and I think so there is something written with a 250 volts on it or so. I hope so. 250 volts. No, it's not written on it. This is interesting. No, it's not written on it. But we would like to have a look inside if we can interchange it, and so I do. I got a screwdriver. Been up here. Don't forget to have your cup. But the first what you need is, we need Mr. Brush, in case of this is a little bit dirt, and so I'm doing this now. I hate it that the fingers are gonna be here. Look. We would like to have a watch inside. Maybe it's the same power supply. I hope so. And we need to fingers crossed that it is, and also have the correct connectors. Then we have the possibility to change it to 230 volts. And hope so. We have that here. But we must open it and have a watch inside. So we can, there is coming an idea, yeah, you can change it, you have the possibility to have an interchange. The problem is that there are power converters on the market. They can do this, but look, oh, looks like similar, huh? Looks like similar. Yeah, this is cool. But now I must disconnect this from here. Oh, can I disconnect it? No. It's a little bit heavy to disconnect it, but we will show. First we can disconnect this, but we need also this plastic part. Don't lose this. And then we have maybe a cable. Is a cable also here for this? I don't remember. Where is my cable? Here we have a cable. Look. We connect it and we switch it on and it blows up. No, we don't do that. We are de-installing this from this side, okay, And is that? I thought there is written something with 200. Yes, it's it was here, I think so. It was here. Look, here we have a 400 volts capacitor. This is the first capacitor in the circuit, and here we have only a 200 volts capacitor. If you blow in with a 312.5 volts, then it's making BAM kaboosh, and it's a it's in 1,000 parts. It explodes under this high voltage. Okay, this doesn't work. I must use another screwdriver. I cannot turn it on. In case of this is so hot, yeah, I must say sorry for the last time. I cannot make all the week video because it's so extreme hot here, and I don't have an idea how to can open this screw. Very funny. Yeah, we must have this here. Maybe we have it here. We can hold it by this. No, it doesn't work. It doesn't open. I don't know why it's so hard closed. Maybe they have a extreme force on it. Cannot open it. It's interesting. Now this works. I think I don't understand why. This is so strong. It's impossible to open it, but the first thing what we're gonna do is we disassemble this part here from the adapter. It's, I think so, for the mobile phone. We have an adapter that we can disconnect, and this disconnect is for the phone interface. You can put here a phone inside. Look, iPad, yes, and here is a USB connector. It's a super amplifier. You have a lot of connectivities. And now we must open this. In case of what? In case of this doesn't spin. No, it doesn't work. Cannot hold this. Too big. And we need here don't know why I cannot hold it. It's unbelievable. Cannot open it. We have all the time the problems with the robot mounted screws. Crack. You hear this crack? Now it's open. But this screw is trash. Look. Can't open it. You must use a cutter here, not a cutter, it's a pliers from this type, and then you can open screws like this. Also the outside screws, I opened it first, was so hard and tight, I mean so hard and close. We don't know why they do this. Oh my gosh, we must also deinstall all the complete drive. But how I can move this out? Under this condition we must open all. We have the problem that we must deinstall or disassemble all the stuff of here. Yeah, not funny. But what else? It is so. We want to come down, and the funny thing was that we have had one of these machines with wrong interconnected. I remember it was wrong interconnected on the two parts of the power supply, and was not good. I remember it's exploded or so. Cannot believe it. How much is this? Oh, it's dangerous. Oh. Slow. Now. And here, the first what we change is this. This was here, and that was interchanged. This and this was interchanged, and so it was shoot. You understand? Because this voltage and this voltage are big different. They have here the same mistake they're doing here in the construction. They have the same connector here and here. You see? Here and here. Don't interchange this. If you put this, there was a power supply with the same length of the cable, and they interchange it and shoot the processor. In case of this is the 3.3 volt and this is 15 volts also. I can't remember exactly, but it was so. And also we have here that is also, look, this is a power supply with the same length. Look, you can interchange the cables. For sure, this is this side, and this is the other side. But is that not bad? We must have a watch on it. This cable, we have here also a thing inside that we must cut. Oh my gosh, why are they doing so much? We don't. We don't want this. Look, this zip tie. And this zip tie I don't hope so. This is this and this is that. Yeah. I don't understand why they're making this so they are producing. Yeah, maybe they build up first this and build that in or so. That can be. They don't. Okay, this cable. Yeah, we can open this. It's no problem. We can open it. Can open this construction from the metal piece. It's here, here and here. if you would like to open it, maybe we can deinstall or disassemble it from here, here and here. And it's extreme hot here today. We have 95 Fahrenheit or 34 degrees Celsius. It's 34, so it's hot, hot, hot. You cannot believe it. You see, I'm sweating. It's unbelievable here. Unbelievable hot. Also the tools what I'm holding in my hand, I'm sweating in my hands, and so this is not funny today. So here we have the thing. Look what is here and here and here. It's more and more and more by the yes, and now we have this cable here. We interchange it. I put this out. They have 2 4/6 pins. Yes. Is this cable? Looks like. And this cable is 2 4/6 pins. This so. This cable. It is so. And don't disconnect this. First you must know who is this. This one. This one cable is this. What is disconnect? Is this? Yeah, it is. Look here. Must be this cable. This cable is that cable. You must know. This cable is that cable. We insert it because they interchange it. They change it fast and they blow up the complete board. Yeah, we know that. So here it is something clear. This cable is this cable, and this cable over here is this cable. They make it wrong. The construction is wrong. In my eyes, is the construction wrong. Yeah, they can make it here. I don't understand how they do this. Okay. For me it's not clear. And now we must hold on to this. Shall we make this here? Yes. We make it. I'm searching my zip ties and then I come back. So we have here 2 zip ties, and would like to build this in, and we are closing this here. Oh, it's not so bad. Do that, and here we have it too. The other zip tie we're doing here, closing it. and okay, so we are cutting here. That was too much, and then we are hoping that we can feel around with this, and be careful here on the left side. It's also not so funny for the cable, and we have it here. It's not good. We must hold this here in position. Now we have the metal part and we close it together. This is the old power supply. I'm put it on the side. Then we must insert here. What is here? Must insert here. Some of the screws. Look, you cannot see it, but here it is. We don't understand why they making screws for this on this side. I don't understand it, but okay. Okay, I accept it. I will accept it. I accept it in case of what? In case of that I cannot hold the cable back here. Huh, super. They're making a hole. This hole is too small. No, it's not too small, but it's very small. It's better you installing or assembling the back side screw first, and then the side screws. I think. I don't know where the machine is coming. Maybe it's from Japan, maybe it's from other land. But what I also have for a problem in my head is, if it's coming from Japan, then how it could work here in the radio band. I mean, it's not. You understand what I mean? Yeah. The funny thing is now that I don't know if the machine operates now here in Europe correct. In case of that, the radio band are another frequency, I think so. And is that good or not? I don't know. I'm not surprised if it's another frequency range. But how I can fix this issue? To changing the power supply, maybe it doesn't help. I don't know. They have other frequencies, no? But maybe it comes from I think so in England is also. They have also the same frequencies. I don't know. I'm not sure. But this is the fun part of this machine. Yeah. You need a converter for the tuner, no? I cannot say. Now we would like to fixing here some screws. First first this one in the corner here. Maybe I can do this. Okay, it holds. And here we take this screw. Or is it possible that we don't have it here or not? I don't know, I don't remember it exactly. Is it here or not? So we must put that back. Look, in the position. Bring it in, and now cannot fiddle it in. It's too. Oh my god, what is here now? I have no idea how I can bring this in. I must open it again, this, and yeah, I open this again and that again. Maybe we must deinstall the power supply first, and then we can install the drive. Huh? Could be. Yes, it is. It was so. Yeah. It also, it's here. Look, we have here one failure. I forgot to bring that down with this part. So better. It's better now, and we're feeling. Only we're feeling, no aggression, but in the heat it's very difficult to be cool in this very hot heat. Turn it back and turn this in. But how that can be? And also here on this side we must do that. We have a long screw, and we must put it in. It's not so easy to do this, and the problem is that we have a lot of parts. Look, going first in the other direction and then in this direction. Case of that we. It's a metal screw, plastic on metal, super. We like it, we love it. Look, here we have this now. Okay, now it makes sense. No? This plastic part must be here and must be save the drive or whatever. And now we have the position that we can build in this here, and I hope so it works. Maybe the machine have also a defect, but we don't know at the first if we interchange it, because I don't have a transformer and I don't have 110 volts here. It's also a big problem. I don't understand why we have here this problem. I mean, how they make the cables so short, and also, I mean, they break their fingers in the factory. If you do that 1,000 times, then it's not so problem. But if you make it only once, like me, then it is a problem. But I hope so. We can fix this with no damage, and then we have oh, what is now? This is falling inside the machine. Here it is. here we have it. Don't lose a screw inside the machine. This is very it's unforgiven. And this is okay if it's good fixed and good assembly it. I don't think so they make a big difference between this and that power supply. Or did you think they're making a big thing? No, what is here? It's here and here and here, but not this. It's quite here. What is this? It's a special thing. Look, but I don't know. Are they really so? Don't know why they have the thing like here and how I cannot move it. It's for me not possible. What is this for a thing here? Super. It's a problem. This is a big problem what they have here. And I think so it's not the original cable. Just you can do. It looks like, but it is not. But yeah, we leave it outside, huh? Why not? We leave it outside. It's a nightmare here, huh? You see? Okay. For a test, it will work, but I'm not surprised. I'm not happy with it. So we make a click and then we making a, I don't know, we make a test, a short test. We can rebuild this cable. We open up this coil here and interchange it and so on. This will be good. Now, fingers crossed. Click. Okay. And yeah, it's something on it. Yeah, input, USB, CD, disc reading. You go to CD, I think so. And open the disc. Open. Okay, tuck. Good. This is working. Good. And we must interconnect it on the back side for the output. They have only so small things. This is not good. But one moment, I check it up. Yeah. How I can jump to the next? Not possible. Super CD player, you need a remote control. Okay, it works, but I'm not happy with it. It's, yeah, you cannot switch from this track to the next track. You need a remote control. Pause, play. Maybe with input now, input FM. 99.9 megahertz. Yes, FMC. It's okay. It looks like a normal tuner, but it's okay. I think it's good. I don't have a remote. It's for me now not possible to make other test. And the tuner will work maybe. Yes, you hear it? It's working. It's my finger. Okay, super. Okay, I will build it, and it's okay. Oh, the first thing what we're gonna do is we fix this problem. Problem is not a problem, but we fix this. It's better than the other. And we are taking this here, we connecting it to the mains, and we're listening a click. We switch it on. Goodbye. It says goodbye. FM. Yeah, it's 99.3. Okay. I open it. That was the Yamaha CRX-330 with the power exchange from 120 volt to 230 volts 50 hertz. Yes, we see we can interchange the power module on the same device, and on this Yamaha this experiment will luck. I have luck, and also with the tuner, but I don't know if you have a Japan tuner. What you can do, if everybody have an idea, please write in the comment line. If you have a Japanese tuner, what you can do, is it only by software interchange the frequency range, or is it also need to change it by hardware? This is my question to my public. If anybody knows this, please give an answer in the comment line. If you like my channel, please subscribe, and I say thank you for watching.